Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this e-commerce shipping platform, which is Shipaccel. So let's quickly dive into it to decide if this shipping e-commerce platform can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Shipaccel is a powerful e-commerce shipping tool that help business save time and money with multi-carrier support, real-time rate comparisons, and automated label creation. It integrates smoothly with Shopify and Amazon, making order fulfillment fast and more efficient. However, its advanced analytics and customization options are still limited, and pricing can climb with larger shipping volumes. So in my own opinion, Shipaccel is great for growing online stores that need automation and efficiency, but smaller sellers might find it more than they need. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.